Welcome to Caching Waves. This is your Elliott Wave update for EGLD. I just wanted to go over on the 4 hour, our previous count, which was from the bear market low as a leading diagonal. Now just looking at the extensions here, we hit the 0.618 extension of wave 1 for our third, and for our fifth wave, we hit the 0.618 extension of wave 3. On linear scale, we came between the 382 and the 50. In which case I targeted the 618 and the 786. If it goes to the 618, then I target the 1.236 and 1.618, but because of the shallow retracement, those were our targets for our third and our fifth. You can see we respected our trend lines perfectly, and importantly, we had the reaction we expect after the fact, the fast drop off as soon as we came out of the trend line. So going off our correction, I believe we're almost complete. If you remember my previous videos, this was my buy box holding the wave 2 area. Now on linear, we kind of have to go between two scales just to show you the kind of the perfect area, which is at the 618 at 43.58 is my target. That's the 618 of the move to the upside. And just remember that 43.58, and on log scale, that's our 1-to-1 of our A for our C at 43.72. It's 43.58, 43.72. So really close confluence there between the 618 on linear and the 618 extension of our A off our B for the C wave. And that keeps us within our wave 2 area we're looking for support. Now, similar to the other charts going on, I have this as a C wave, as a ending diagonal. We got our A wave to the downside, 3-wave move for our B, and we have a series of threes. 1, 2, 3, working on our fourth, looking for our fifth down to that 43.72 area, in which case I would expect a pivot. Now, you can also see it's potentially in here as well, but I just don't like it because it doesn't look like 3, so I'm giving a little more room. But if we do break this previous wave here at around 53.50, I might consider it complete. I'm going to put an alarm there. But yeah, I'm putting in spot orders down in this area, and it's going to be a nice setup as a potential third wave or a C wave as a corrective pattern. So pretty excited for this one. I'm going to start putting in some spot orders here. Stop's going to go at this low for my spot orders, but for my trading purposes, I'm going to wait for a bottoming pattern before I enter, just to get a little more confirmation that the trend is changing. But it's looking good as our setup and targeting that $43 area. I'm going to put in orders at 43.72 just in case we get a quick reversal on spot. Not financial advice, just what I'm doing. Full disclosure. So yeah, we've been waiting for this one for quite a while, so it looks like it's almost complete. But remember, with Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is just making an A wave, we can get a B wave up and then we collapse. So just keep that in mind. We most likely will get a rally. The question is it a third wave or is it in the middle of a larger correction? We won't know till those patterns fill out, but we are getting quite a nice buying zone to at least get the rally to the upside. All right, guys, that's it for EGLD. You can check out my other videos if you want. Subscribe if you want the updates, and thanks for watching.